The third thing we're going to learn is the dip, and remember this follows on from the pole walk. So remember to have your inside arm nice and high in a handshake grip, releve onto the toes and pull your hips away from the pole. You're going to step forward with your inside leg, outside arm across the body, and extend your outside leg away from the pole. You're then going to draw a big circle around to standing. Let me show you that again. Top tips for this move is to make sure that you are nice and high with that inside arm and pull the hips away from the pole. Extend that outside leg away to make sure that you get maximum momentum in your dip. This will prepare you for your spins.